running its test suite using SAS, testing tool I created. It gives you information about the performance and how many tests were run. And it tells you which tests were slow, so you know which tests to go and fix. And also has coverage, and async has 100% test coverage. So who has 100% test coverage?
92%.
Oh yes, not too bad. What about 90%? 80%? Oh yeah, some 80s. Who's got more than 50%? Who's less than 50% test coverage? Does everyone else just not know what their test coverage is? Okay. So I'm really suspicious. So I maintain a lot of gems, and I want to make testing easier. So SAS is a testing tool for modern software development. It provides real-time feedback in Visual Studio Code. So the simple design, there's SAS, which is the bluey gem, and it provides two pieces: SAS tree, which provides the list of tests, and SAS host, which does the JSON RPC. And then there's a package called SAS VS Code, which interfaces with VS Code itself and provides all the feedback. So let's go and have a look at how it all fits together. So, who does test-driven development? Who writes the test first? Oh yeah, some people. Who writes the test last? Oh yeah, who just doesn't write tests at all? Okay, I'm not sure where you think. Don't run first, don't run the last. Okay, so let's write a test. It returns my name. Okay, so let's do that, and we save that, and we get the immediate feedback. So expect Samuel to be Samuel Williams, so let's go and fix that. And so we're using Copilot, and Copilot figures everything out, so that's awesome. And we come back here, and now the test is passing. There's a green tick right here. If you want, you can run it again, but it's so fast you don't even notice. One of the things which I find kind of annoying when writing interactive tests is getting information about what something is without dropping into a debugger. So there's this construct called inform, and if you do this and you run this, the text from that is dumped out here so you can see what the information is while you're writing the test. To be honest, with VS Code, the test API that VS Code provides is very, very new. So there are a lot of things that it doesn't quite do yet. So this is not SAS VS Code, this is actually VS Code itself. But one of the new features that they're working on is to provide the real-time test coverage. So when you write the test, it knows which lines of code were covered by that test, and if you go and modify those lines, it can feed that back into the automatic execution. So look, SAS is quite quick. If you run a similar test suite, RSpec out of the box is taking 157 milliseconds, and SAS out of the box is taking 72. This is characteristic of the whole thing, so it's designed from the ground up to be really fast. And to give you an example of one of the neat features, SAS has parallel testing like built straight in. And so if you have a really slow test suite, at least you won't be waiting for too long. Anyway, if you have any questions or if you're interested in testing, come and check me. I'm happy to talk. Thank you very much.